الله أكبر سبحان ربي العظيم الله أكبر سبحان ربي الأعلى الله أكبر.
Mom, Dad, I'm home!
What a beautiful day!
It feels so warm and bright.
Let's enjoy the sunshine. Did you recite the Surah Al-Jumu'ah?
Yes, Dad, I did in my brain. Yes, you should keep reciting this surah our Prophet Muhammad's firah. Our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, recited this surah.
The city lights are beautiful tonight.
Yes, they are. I love this view. It's so peaceful. When Jumu'ah arrives, before sleeping, we should recite Surah Al-Mulk.